Least common multiple. When I think of multiples, I'm thinking of bigger numbers. It's like you find your common denominator. So multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and so forth. Multiples of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. What I like to do with my numbers with the least common multiple is start with the bigger one, which is 10. Does 2 divide into 10? Yes, it does, so that is my least common multiple. If it didn't, I'd do the next multiple of 10. So we know 10 is the least common multiple of 2 and 10. With our variables, we're going to use every variable to the higher exponent. Factors, we use the smaller one. Multiples, we use the bigger one. So, I have a u to the 4th and I have a u. Well, u to the 4th is the bigger one. I have an x to the 9th and an x to the 5th. X to the 9th is the bigger one. I don't have any w's here, but I have a w to the 4th here. 4 is bigger than 0. So I'm going to have 10 u to the 4th, x to the 9th, and w to the 4th. Again, the order of your variables really doesn't matter. You can do them in whatever order you want to put them down. So number 17, if I'm thinking about my least common multiple of 6 and 8, maybe you know it off the top of your head, but here's what I'm thinking. I'm going to start with the bigger number 8. Does 6 go into 8? Nope, it doesn't. So then I'm going to take 8 times 2 and say 16. Does 6 go into 16? No, it doesn't. So then I'm going to do 8 times 3, 24. Does 6 divide into 24? Yes, it does. So the least common multiple of 6 and 8 is 24. Then I'm going to do my variables. Each variable to the higher exponent. So with my v's, what should I have? V to the 8th. With my w's, W9, and with my y's, y to the 6th. So 24v to the 8th, w to the 9th, and y to the 6th is my answer. Go ahead and do number 18. So, what is my least common multiple of 2 and 3?
I put 6.
That's what I put too. Exactly. If I had 1/2 plus 1/3, I'd change them to 6th. So 6, and then what am I going to have?
U4.
U4.
W5.
W5.
V6.
V to the 6th. So 6u to the 4th, w to the 5th, and v to the 6th would be my least common multiple. So you're going to have 2 questions that look pretty similar. One will say find the greatest common factor, where we're looking for smaller things. The next one says find the least common multiple, where I'm looking for bigger things.
I didn't even read that.